What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from XTT Tunes. In this video I'll be making a very dreamy, minimalistic, chill, soulful R&B beat from scratch. Alright, so if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start this beat with a pad sound. So let's go ahead and find some. Ooh. Yeah. Cool. I like this. Let's record this. Cool. I'm gonna cut out the low. Okay, I like that. I've loaded up this awesome plugin here. It's from Reactor 6. I really like the sound. I'm only gonna layer this the chord with the other synth just to thicken up a little bit. Okay, I cut out both the low and high for both of these synths because I want to have kind of a dirty pad sound, right? So I'm gonna add some kind of distortion later on. Actually, let's add now. Select both the channel, shift right click and go to add group channel to selected channels, and I'm gonna rename this pads. Okay, I'm gonna load the trash. Let's try with subtle. Okay, let's go ahead and add some drums. I'm gonna draw the pattern for this kick. Okay, I'm gonna have a roll here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I wanna have like a triplet rhythm at the end of this. Cool. Now let's copy this, paste it. Okay, let's draw the pattern for the snare. I'm gonna go with the 16th note pattern here. Let's turn down the volume a little bit. Cool, I like that. Let's copy and paste that one more time. Damn, I like it. Let's transpose this up and see how it sounds. I'm gonna add hi-hat right now. Okay, I'm gonna add one more percussion. Okay, I want to remove the percussion here at the end. Cool. Let's add some 808, man. Okay, let's turn on the audio warp, set it to music mode, legato, and monophonic. Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna just repeat that back to okay, I'm gonna add a piano. I like this melody, so I'm gonna just mess around with it. The end here, we have to change the note because it's chord changes here. We'll go with a G sharp. Okay, I'm gonna add delays here, multi-tap delay. Let's add some preset, kick trap. Cool, I love it, man. So I'm gonna render this. Okay, so let's hear it. Okay, I'm gonna transpose this up, see how it sounds. What else we can add? Okay, I want to add pizzicato strings. Let's add. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat and the video as well. And if you guys haven't already, smash that like button, please do so right now. And also please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.